Formula One is the world's largest annual global sporting series. We have 24 races across 5 continents, 826 million fans worldwide. PwC and Formula One are both organisations that have to operate in high-stakes, high-performance environments. Formula One's working with PwC around our future race operations programme. The programme has a target to remove 50% of the equipment that we ship around the world by air freight and put it into sea freight.
One of the biggest challenges with Formula One is that we have to move very quickly to each event. Being ready for 2 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon is non-negotiable.
F1 doesn't often use outside advisors. We are good at doing what we do today, and PwC's tech-forward approach will enable us to apply new technology, increase performance, better efficiency, and really deliver at the scale the sport is growing to.
Working with PwC has opened our eyes into lots of other areas of industry to see how we can improve.
What really impressed me around the team was their approach to being on the ground, listening, working with the teams. We're not just changing the processes that we're doing today. We are setting up the foundations for Formula One to grow for the next 10 to 15 years.